Hello everyone, I am Elisa Elvira Patricio, currently working in the state of Kuwait as an office executive in the investment firm company for almost 10 years. But I've been in Kuwait for more than 15 years. By the grace of God, my life has been going well. Nung dumating ako dito sa Kuwait first time, I worked office secretary in the agency, Mark Farmer. I thought before that everything is okay for me. Kasi sabi ko, okay naman yung work ko, I have my salary. Nakatulong din ako sa family ko, and little by little, I achieve my goals. But sometimes naisip ko that something was still missing in myself that I could change for the better. Kasi when I was here, I was only 22. So, hindi pa ako seryoso sa future noon. But the time passed by, parang na-realize ko na dapat may gawin ako sa sarili ko. May tumulak sa utak ko na just do something na mas, mas better. So, 1 week later, I decided to call my friend who was studying at ICSA that time. That was mid-2023. So in short, we met and we talk about the life and the future. And suddenly, I asked her, "Babe, it is okay to study at ICSA?" She replied back to me, "Why don't you try?" So hindi ko na pinatagal pa. On the next day, I went to ICSA main office to inquire, and that when I talked to the ICSA staff, they gave me all the details that I needed. And they asked my name and my number too. And afterwards, I decided to enroll office management. Para gusto kong tapusin yung course ko na BSOM sa Pilipinas, which is I didn't finish before. And then, after a while, parang naisip ko na it would be better to take business course para maiba naman and to enhance my knowledge in the world of business. Kasi I'm getting older na. So, as my future recurrence, I have to be ready. Kung sakaling uwi man ako sa Pilipinas for good, I can start my own business and I can manage it wisely. So, as I was continuing my business management online class, while working in the office in the morning, I saw a post by ICSA with the pre-Arabic online class. I also took it and enrolled because I knew I could use it where I work, especially when dealing our clients who cannot speak and understand English fluently. So, moving on to my loaded life, I continued studying my 2 classes, which is Arabic class and business management class. And then, 2 months ang dumaan, parang pinanghinaan ako ng loob. And I said to myself, I cannot continue my studies anymore. Or, I should give up 1 class. Kasi I felt that I couldn't handle together at the same time. And I had a hard time of doing my assignments, exercises, and my project din kami, and then my exam. So, napasok sa utak ko na i-give up ko na lang business management. Next time ko na lang ituloy. So, right away, I talked to my one-of-a-kind instructor, si Roland Gonzalez, in business management class. I told him, "Sir, I will give up my business management class because it was difficult for me to divide my time." So, Sir Roland answered me, "Miss Elisa, if you give up and stop, what is the next?" So, napatigil ako doon sa sinabi ni Sir and took a deep breath. Oo nga, no? Kaya, sabi ko, tuloy ang laban ng buhay. Go na to. So, to make my story short, I keep moving and I finished my Arabic class with a certificate and my UK diploma in business management. Despite the trials and the loaded time, but by the power of God and with the help of my great and knowledgeable instructor, si Roland Gonzalez. That's why I did it. I salute him because his way of teachings is excellent and very contagious. His expertise has helped me develop with the valuable knowledge and skills on how to adapt sudden change, how to build diverse, inclusive team, how to make a communication effective, how to motivate and inspire others as a leaders, and how to develop financial literacy. And I always remembered every time when we had a class, Sir Roland always told us, never underestimate the power of continuous self-improvement. Thank you so much, sir, for your extensive support. Because of this diploma, I was promoted at work and my salary increased. And I also extend my thanks to Ma'am Marian Takaba for investing her time in us, and she ignites the minds of many students in Arabic. Lastly, to ICSA administration and staff, thank you for being one of the instrument for all OFWs like me who wants to enhance their knowledge and skills. And to my kababayans who wants to unlock their potentials in computers and office work, and to all the people out there who dream to get a diploma, I highly recommend you ICSA as the schools that is recognized internationally with the high standards of teaching and with a professional team. Thank you so much.